Hi guys, Germznation. Mr. Sparkle Car Wash.
Card. Swipe. Pin? You don't need no stinking pin.
What the hell? Try this again.
Wrong way, Willie.
Please select a wash.
Oh, there it goes.
Your mother's a wash.
Your mom's a wash.
What?
Oh, you gotta do 10 or you gotta do... I usually do like 8 because I'm cheap.
Because I'm a triple shiner. Why not? I'm a waste of fucking life.
What?
Kids, do not swear.
Please proceed into wash.
Don't tell me what to do, buddy. Bro.
Yeah, really. God. Jesus Christ. Oh, windows, open. Oh, get in. Hurry up, you might want to go through before it... Oh, there it goes. Yeah, clean the other side. Oh, yeah, that's great. Got a little moist there. Yeah.
Windows, bro.
What?
Drive forward. Don't tell me to stop.
Yep, it'll tie. Alright. Stop. Can't see through the window. It says stop. Beavis? I'm in the wrong seat. I'm supposed to be in my truck. Where's my truck? Oh! I'm in a Nissan!
Nazis, bro.
Nazis? Where?
The Viet Cong.
Viet Cong? Nazis? Are they coming? Let me see. Oh,
Yep, they're coming.
there they are.
See, it puts a quick layer of soap on it. With
Yeah.
the $10 one. See? Trial and error.
I'm speechless.
I better get all this turd off my window.
There's a lot of turd.
Yeah, there's a lot of dirt.
Got turd right there.
I love that smell though.
Yeah, it smells like your mom's perfume, which you used to wear. Yep, clean the inside of the Nissan 05 Nissan Altima. New floor mats. Got floor mats? Yep, got floor mats. How many miles on this puppy?
86045.
Yep. 86,000 miles. Anybody want to buy a Nissan? Real good. Good gas mileage, 2.5 liter. It's a great car. What? Look, the poop's moving. Oh, the poop just moved.
Not all of it. Not all of it.
Lift things up and put them down.
Can I put on my windshield wipers right now?
You can try.
Yeah.
Nazi zombies.
Missed the turd.
Got turd. Yep. It's sudsing. Oh, they're back to the colored ones again. I see.
That guy lied.
How convenient. Oh, how convenient. The colors, man.
Up. Wow, you almost missed it. Dude, this $10 one gives you a lot of different stuff yours doesn't.
Wow.
I lift things up and put them down.
I lift things up and put them down.
Damn it, the turd doesn't come off.
I lift things up and put them down. I lift things up.
It is going away though.
Looks good. One more time. One more time. Is it coming off yet?
Where'd it go? Oh, it's right there. No, it's right there. God damn it. Look at all the streaks.
That's a lot of streaks. Wow, that's a lot of streaks. we're gonna have to do a little bit better cleaning your car.
I lift the chopper, put the balance. I lift the chopper, put the balance.
It really
Oh.
soaks it.
Yeah, it does. Try your wipers now, maybe it'll come off.
Did it come on?
No, it's still there. But my favorite part, the blowjob. Remember, you got like 4 seconds after the blowjob, so there you go. Oh yeah, it feels good. Oh, windows. What? Normally doesn't happen in my truck. Yep. I like the blowjob. What do you think about the blowjob?
Pretty heavy.
Pretty heavy blowjob?
Yeah, see, not bad on the sides. Right here though, this side got heavy. This side's not bad. I don't know what happened on this side and the back. Maybe it's like the back side.
Oh yeah, back's a little streaky, but it's okay.
It's the side here. Whatever, dude.
We'll fix it tomorrow. Yep. You wanna take a peek at your car? Or at my house?
Nope, it's right here. It's tradition.
It is tradition. Right in the middle. Yep. My bike got 8 giant. Let's go. Look at this.
LED.
Looking good. 2005 Nissan Altima. Yep, looks good. Clean rims. Looks good. Yep, did the whole front end right there. It's all clean. HIDs. Alright guys, well I'll talk to you later before we get in trouble for, I don't know, something. We'll figure out something to do. See ya. Bye.